In the verb agreement with the subject, the 10th rule says nouns which are always considered plural, like the spectacles, scissors, trousers, pants, they're considered plural, but they take a plural verb too. Although it's one spectacle, one scissors, it's always considered plural. Therefore, the verb will also be plural too. That's the rule number 10. Rule 10. It says, nouns which are always, nouns which are always considered nouns which are always considered in the plural, considered in the plural, like examples, scissors, spectacles, trousers, pants. All this. Take a plural verb. It takes a plural verb. The nouns which are always considered in the plural, like the scissors, spectacles, pants, trousers, etc., take a plural verb. Okay? Now, for example, your examples are you have his trousers are costly. His trousers, although it's only one, are. His trousers are costly. Are. His trousers are costly. My spectacles are new. My spectacles are new. Are. My spectacles are new or broken, whatever. And then have another one here. Your scissors are on the table. Your scissors. Your scissors. Your scissors are. You won't say is. Your scissors are on the table. On the table. And then one more. My new pants are lost. My new pants. My new pants are lost. So they are all single object, but they are all considered plural form. So we use the plural form of verb. The rule number 10 says nouns which are always considered in plural. Trousers, spectacles, scissors, pants. Take a plural form of verb. Okay. Now, in the rule number 11. In the rule number 11, rule number 11. Okay. The rule number 11, it says, an amount of money, a period of time, a distance, or a weight is always considered as one. An amount of money, a period of time, a distance, or weight always considered as one. Hence, such subjects take a singular verb. So the 11th rule is an amount of money, a period of time, a distance, a weight is always considered as one. Therefore, it takes a singular form of verb. An amount of money, a period of time, a period of time, a distance, or a weight, is always considered as one. Hence, such subjects, like the money, time, distance, weight, such subjects take a singular verb. Such subjects take a singular verb. Let's look at a couple of examples here. One, we have 75 rupees is a big amount. 75 rupees. And then what we are using? A singular form of verb. 75 rupees is a very big amount. Is a big amount. Singular form of verb. Okay. Another example for you. 4 years has passed. 4 years. 4 years. 4 years is a long time, and we use the singular form of word has passed. Has. 4 years has passed. in a blink of an eye. Pass in a blink. Blink of an eye. One more sentence for you. 100 kilometers. Because we are talking about money. We are talking about period of time. Okay? And then, so 100 kilometers was covered in an hour. 100 kilometers was, singular form again, was covered in an hour. Covered in an hour. Okay? So what is the rule number 11 says? Amount, money, a period of time, distance, weight, they are all considered as one, and hence we use the singular form of verb. 75 rupees is a big amount. 4 years has passed in a blink of an eye. 100 kilometers was covered in an hour. We have 2 more rules for us to look at.